Hello everyone, it's been quite a while, but now I'm here to show you my latest project, and this time I've made an explosion box or exploding box, depending on what you say. I think I usually say explosion box. So I've made this for my mom's birthday, and yes, I just wanted to show you it really quick. So on the front here I have cut out this shape with a die, and I'm not sure what the die is called right now, but if you want to know I can look that up. And here I've stamped a stamp that says Hipp Hipp Hurra, which means hip hip hooray in Swedish, and it's from a Swedish company called Gummiapan. The papers I've used are a Prima romance novel, and here I just put some different pink roses. I really wanted to put some black roses on here, but I didn't have any. I just had like one small one, so I just stuck with the pink. And here on the sides, all around, I've used this black lace that I just had at home. So I'm just gonna zoom out and show you what it looks like when I open the box. So here we go. That's what it looks like. Let me just zoom it in a little bit. Okay. So here's what it looks like. And I should also tell you that I used a tutorial to make this explosion box. I did some changes myself, but the base is from this tutorial, so I'll link that tutorial in the instruction. I'll put it in the info box below. So as you can see, I've used some Merci chocolates in here, and I've used some bling strips and some lace and made some bows, and then I put some bling around just here and there. And yes, I guess that's the box. So you just fold it up like that again, put the lid on, and that's that. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!